How to stay active on Instagram but appear offline for friends and followers. Hello everybody, welcome to Like6 YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you how to appear offline on Instagram but stay active. Before we jump into the YouTube tutorial, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. It really helps me a lot. So, to appear offline for friends and followers, just follow the 6 simple steps. Click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top corner. Now click on the settings and privacy gear icon and hit the messages and story replies button. Tap on the show activity status. Lastly, toggle on your activity status by tapping on the button. So this is how you can easily appear offline but stay active on Instagram. Now you can watch Instagram reels or posts peacefully and people will never know that you are online. By the way, if you want to learn how you can find saved and liked reels on Instagram, I have added the link in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. If you want a specific tutorial, drop it in the comments below and I will definitely create it for you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.